Well, this time of day, as the sun starts to go down, we expect temperatures to get a little colder, Bets. But boy, you've got a different pattern for us tonight.
It's called a warm front, and it is certainly our friend. We have temperatures that will be on the rise as we go through the evening and then hold in the overnight. At the same time, the rain is going to be moving out. So it's all looking up and up for your Friday night plans. Still in the 50s farther east, but notice Mansfield and Port Clinton and Dover all sitting at 60 plus. The warm air is just beginning to get here. Elyria, you're now at 62. Over the last 20 hours, just to kind of show you how quick this change is taking place. Early morning, we were in the 40s, we were in the 50s during the day, and then after 4 p.m. the temperature shot up. We are seeing temperature rises of 5 to 6 degrees over a half-hour period. So it's going to be a nice evening for us. Where is the warm front? Well, it's all based on temperatures, of course, which we've already pointed out that it's generally from Elyria to Dover, New Philadelphia and southwest. And right on the leading edge of that warmer air, we do have some sprinkles that are popping up. All of this should shift eastward as we head through the overnight hours, and that will leave us dry. So we'll start our Saturday with some dry weather. Can't rule out a few showers, maybe a rumble of thunder during the day, but I think the better chance is going to be tomorrow night as we have a little wave that's going to work through. And when we're talking about that warm air, I mean, this is a pretty good punch that is moving northward. But where there is a warm front, there is a cold front, and the cold front back here is what is ultimately going to cause the bigger problems, and especially when you start to talk about severe weather. So the Storm Prediction Center from the National Weather Service put out a risk for severe weather tomorrow, generally lining up in the Plains states. Kansas City is included in that. Then you move to Sunday night, and things get a whole lot closer to home. This is all the cold front that will be moving in. Timing is on our side at this point. We're thinking Sunday night rather than Sunday during the day, which means we have nighttime cooling coming in, and that should help things out a little bit. But even through the entirety of the weekend, we're still looking at changeable conditions. Keep the rain gear handy as you are out and about. But if we specify Sunday night, that is that 9 p.m. to 2 a.m. time frame that we're looking for the possibility of severe storms. Anthony and Jessica will be keeping a very close eye on this through the weekend, and we may upgrade to a weather impact alert based on how forecast consensus starts to come together. So let's dive into this National Designer hour-by-hour forecast. It's beautiful tonight. Temperatures in the 60s. We start your day Saturday. This is 7:30 a.m. right around 60 degrees at 7:30 a.m. There's a few little showers that may pop up late morning into the afternoon, but once those go by, we get peaks of sun and temperatures will shoot into the 70s across northern Ohio. So a beautiful evening is setting up. Can't rule out some scattered showers Saturday night into Sunday morning. Could have some periods of heavier rain, maybe a few rumbles of thunder. All of that begins to move out by early afternoon on Sunday. Again, the sun returns. This is where things start to get a little interesting, and the temperatures shoot into the 70s before evening when this line of storms is going to be sweeping through. So still a lot to be determined. A big key in this is how much sunshine we're going to get on Sunday. But right now in your Union Home Mortgage forecast, we're going with 74 tomorrow, 70 on Sunday, and then falling temperatures after the cold front goes through on Monday. Chilly Tuesday, but then right back to some springtime weather Wednesday, Thursday.